The Lagos State government is taking more decisive actions to prevent accidents in schools and other learning institutions. One of such is the Safe Schools Initiative workshop with the theme Creating a Safety Culture and Compliance, organized to help equip stakeholders with the necessary skills and knowledge for keeping schools safe and secure for both students and teachers.
We are going to work with Lagos State Safety Commission. We are going to work with Lagos State Neighborhood Watch. We are going to work with the Federal Safety Commission to ensure that where appropriate, we have speed breakers, we have traffic lights controlling pedestrian movement across all these our schools in Lagos State.
Safety begins with you. We are all responsible for our safety. And individual safety, collective safety can ensure that we can have zero accidents. We continue to drive this message, this training across board to the private schools, to the day schools, and indeed public schools as well. So it would eventually go around all the schools in Lagos State.
The idea is to work together with all stakeholders and fashion out a culture of prevention that will reduce all forms of accidents in the school environment and inculcate the culture of safety.
To ensure that we do the right thing by ensuring that everything that is necessary to be in place for safety, to make our school to be more comfortable, more conducive, more safe, more secure, more healthy. So this is what the workshop is all about, trying to create awareness on school safety.
We're also looking at the things we know to be best practices that schools need to imbibe to ensure a safe learning environment, and this includes obviously the infrastructure of the building. It includes the actual classroom. It includes mental health and safety. It includes safeguarding and child protection.
Technology has increased, not only vehicles alone, the environment that these children are. How safe is the environment? Safety, is so important that everything that we do has to bring in the issue of safety.
It's a right step in the right direction, actually. From the ongoing the situation of things, we have to be safety conscious, especially in schools, the school and its environment. That we have to probably be proactive in safety.
If we want to improve the standards of our learners in what they achieve, their performance, it is important we allow them to learn in a safe environment. This type of program will provide the stakeholders the wherewithal to ensure that they know what they need to do to put safety in their hearts and ensure that they practice it.
The Safe Schools Lagos Initiative is a program aimed at ensuring safer school environment for effective teaching and learning processes in formal and informal education, in line with the Babajide Sanwo-Olu administration's themes agenda.